We'll guide you through how to change the password in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you think somebody else may know it, so you want to go and change it to keep your computer secure, or there's another reason why you want to do this. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So the password is what you go and use to go and log into your computer, also to go and authenticate yourself across different things. For example, when I'm in Google Chrome and I want to go and reveal a password, I have to enter my computer password to do that. So we're going to guide you through how this can be changed. So first of all, you need to come to the bottom of your computer, go and find the Windows Start button and click there and find the option for settings to then go and open up. Now, before we get any further, you want to go and look in the top left of settings. There you're going to see your account, and just beneath it, you're going to either see an email or it will go and say local account. It doesn't matter if it says either, the things will be slightly different, but I'm going to explain everything you need to know in this video. So come down this list and you want to go and find the option for accounts like so. Once you're here, once again, you should see the account at the top here. It'll go and say local account, or it may see your email. Now you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for sign-in options and click there. So now come down this list and you want to locate the option for password and you want to go and click on it. If this is missing, don't worry, I'll cover that in a moment. But if you do see it, then what you can do is go and click on it, and then you'll go and see the option for change and you can click on it. So to get started, enter in your current password. So let me go and enter mine in now. Press next. Now we need to go and enter in a new password. So I'll just go and do a simple one for now. And you then need to go and confirm it. And you need to go and add in a hint. So this could be something to go and jog your memory if you go and forget it, as it's pretty common to go and forget passwords. So I'll just type in this is an example. And then what you can do is go and press next. And then you can go and press finish. Now it's going to be changed. So the next we're going to sign into your computer, you're going to be using that new password. Now, if you're finding you don't have the password option here, it's because you're going to be using a Microsoft account. So what you can do is go and confirm that in the top left. If you see your email there, that's why. So what some people have said is you can go and scroll down, and in additional settings, there's an option you can unselect, and it will go and say something like, for added security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. You can go and unselect that. And then you should be able to go and have the option for password. If you don't worry. Instead, you probably go and find you're using the PIN. So what you can do is go and change the PIN. That is basically the equivalent of the password, as it's what you go and use when you go and sign into your computer. So what you can do is go and click PIN, it'll go and load, and you can find the option for change PIN and click there, enter in your existing one. And then what you can do is go and enter in a new one. So let me go and type mine in now. I'll type this in. And then you can go and confirm that. And then you can go and press OK, like so. It'll then go and update, and you've now gone and changed it. So that's how you can go and change your PIN, as that's what may be used instead. As you can see, if you've forgotten it, you can actually go and reset it there as well. So hopefully you've now managed to go and change it. Perhaps you want to go and change the password for your Microsoft account. What you'll need to do is go and open up a web browser. Here we are, I'm in Google Chrome, but you can use another browser, it doesn't matter. You can then go and type in Microsoft like so, come to Microsoft.com. You can go to the top right and you can go and press sign in if you haven't already. If you are already signed in, that's fine. Then what you can do is go and press my Microsoft account. It'll go and take a moment to load, be patient. Here we are, it's now loaded. So we've got the option for change password in the top right, but also you can come over to the left and find security, wait for this to load. And then what you can do is go and press change password like so. And then what you can do here is enter in a new password for your Microsoft account. You need to go and confirm it, and you can then go and press save, and that'll then be changed for your Microsoft account, and you're going to change it in Windows 11. So that's it. Hopefully you've been successful in doing this, and your password is now changed in Windows 11. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides on Windows 11 on the channel already, and loads more to come. So consider subscribing and liking the video for more. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll try my best to get back to you. I look forward to helping you in the future with your next tech problem. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.